2780 Papa's number 2 to follow the Airbus traffic, cause runway turbulence, runway 24, clear to land.
Number 2 to follow traffic, number 278 Sierra Papa.
278 Sierra Papa, you want to give that full readback?
Number 278 Sierra Papa, number 2 clear to land, following the Airbus traffic, runway 24, number 278 Sierra Papa.
Number 321 Charlie Tango, you have traffic to follow on site?
We have that traffic in sight for 321 Charlie Tango.
Number 1 Charlie Tango, number 2 to follow, that's us traffic, runway 24, clear to land.
Number 2 to follow, clear to land, 24, 321 Charlie Tango, this will be a full stop termination.
Remember 278 Sierra Papa, turn left there, Foxtrot, cross 34, hold short, runway 24.
34, hold short, runway 24, number 278 Sierra Papa.
Press 31 Delta Lima, traffic your phones over to numbers, runway 24, clear to land.
For 3 Delta Lima, thank you.
Brakes are proper, stop, 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 stop. Number 321 Charlie Tango, turn right on runway 34. Taxi to Parker via Hotel 1 Hotel.
So, 1 Hotel, November 321 Charlie.
And Tower, you want 513 to take it out a bit, or are you good there?
Number 3 Delta Lima, no, you're good.
All right, thanks.
Number 8 Sierra Pop, proceed through that intersection. And then turn right on Charlie. Can you tell me what happened there? Number 278 Sierra Pop, acknowledge.
Cross runway 24.
And then turn right on Charlie. How'd you end up on that runway?
Fucking each other.
278 Sierra Papa, how'd you end up on that runway?
Can you repeat that for 278 Sierra Papa?
Yeah, once you're done, possible pilot deviation, you give the tower a call. You turn right there, Charlie Bravo, back to the approach on runway 24.
And we'll give you a call once we terminate the flight, 278 Sierra Papa.